everybody, welcome back. So today I'm back with another DIY. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this, just keep on watching. Guys, I'm going to be taking this multi-surface paint that I picked up from Michael's for $2. I'm going to pour some in a bowl here, just so it's easier for me to use my paintbrush to brush it on. That should be enough. This is just a regular brush that I got for like 99 cents or something from like Walmart or somewhere. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like after one coat. I think that I'm going to put another coat on here because it's a little bit too opaque for my taste. Okay guys, so this is how it's turned out. I really hope you can see how it looks. You cannot really see through the silver paint that I painted, and so I really do like that. So now what I'm going to do is just embellish it a little bit. My bling wrap that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, as well as my hot glue gun, and start to do my embellishment. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be using these little glass tea light holders that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this little DIY. I enjoyed making it, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you'll never miss an upload, and also the like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.